Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Mary, and for today's video you guys, I am going to be unboxing my very first Boxycharm ever, and obviously my very first Boxycharm of the year. So I'm going to be trying out obviously these beauty products that came in the box, and I am really excited because these are beauty brands that I have been wanting to try out for a while now, but I just don't purchase their stuff. I finally got my hands on some, so yeah you guys, I'm gonna be doing a look as well. So if you're interested in seeing what I got and how I created this eye look using these beauty products, just please keep on watching. Nothing better to start off the year with a new beauty subscription, you guys, and obviously Boxycharm was my best bet. I did get the premium subscription, which is $39.99 for 6 full-size products. Okay, so let's open it up, you guys. And so it comes with a little paper about the beauty products that they're sending you. Oh my god, you guys! So I'm getting 6 full-size beauty products in here. I am definitely going to be trying some out today as well. So let's start off with the very first one, you guys. And I don't know how to pronounce this, but I think it's Aether Beauty. And this is called the Desert Sunset Palette. These are the colors. I'm obviously going to be using this palette today. And wow, nice packaging. These are the shades. Super pretty. And this does have a value of $48 and it's a new launch. So I'm gonna put this aside because I'm gonna be trying it out today. So for the next product, you guys, it is the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Palette. Okay, love the packaging. Oh my god, you guys, these are so pretty. 3 best-selling shades of custom enhancer drops, now in a pressed powder. I don't have their drops. So the price of these highlighters would be $42, you guys. I'm gonna put these aside as well, you guys. I'm gonna use these as well. A lip liner, and this is Persona. Oh, this is a very nice shade. Swatch it. Oh, nice. Price for this lip liner is $14. It's a really nice shade. Next up, you guys, I have a skincare product, which is from Juice Beauty, and I've been wanting to try out this brand for a minute now, and I finally got a product to try out, and this is the Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. I'm obviously not gonna be trying it out today, you guys, since I do have my complexion already done, but oh my god. Obviously, this is for your pores, and it smells good. It does smell really good. So this does have a value of $36. Next up, you guys, I have the LYS Beauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. And this does contain 5% of niacinamide. It's a pore and shine control primer. Oh, I can't wait to try this out. And it says, keep unwanted shine away all day with this lightweight serum primer that helps balance the appearance of skin and minimize the look of enlarged pores. It doesn't have a scent, you guys, and it feels really good on my hand. Can't wait to put it on my face. Last but not least, you guys, I have the Kosas Air Brow Tinted Volumizing Treatment Gel. Color dark brown. And it's the perfect color. I have been wanting to try Kosas as well, and I haven't gotten a chance. The value on this tinted volumizing treatment gel is $22. So let's go ahead and try out some of these beauty products of the month. I'm gonna go ahead and start off and create a look with this. It doesn't have a mirror inside, you guys, but I think it's pretty cool how they give you a little explanation of why they didn't put a mirror. They wanted to do it 100% recyclable, which is pretty cool. And the color story is pretty nice, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a look with this. So I did prime my lids already, you guys, and I'm using the Dose of Colors light medium concealer. I'm going to start off with this shade right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over the crease with a blending brush. For my second shade, you guys, I'm going to be using this shade right here. I'm going to apply it with a Morphe M456 brush, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put this onto the outer corner and bring it up to my crease. For my lid shade, and I'm going to use this gold right here. Such a pretty like a bronzy shade. Oh, so pretty. Go ahead and use my Makeup by Ariel eyeshadow brush, you guys, to apply that shade better here. So I went ahead and I wet my brush, you guys. Went ahead and I did my eyelashes and eyeliner off camera, you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kosas Airbrow Gel. And let's see. I had already filled in my brow, you guys, with the Benefit Precise Pencil. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the shades, this shade right here in the palette and this one as well. Them underneath my lid. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with the Persona lip liner, you guys. And it's perfect, goes perfect with this look. This is such a pretty color, you guys. I really love this color. Okay, this went on really nicely. Honestly, I don't feel like putting nothing on top. I feel like leaving this shade just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and try out the Cover FX Custom Enhancer palette. Let's see, which one do I want to try out? I'm gonna go ahead and try this middle one. Use a Morphe number 2 brush for this. Put some here. I really can't compare the powder formula to the liquid because, like I said, I haven't tried the liquid form, but this is enough for me. This is so pretty. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair, you guys, and I'll be right back to let you guys know my thoughts on my very first Boxycharm ever and my very first box of the year. Okay, you guys, so for my final thoughts on my very first Boxycharm ever is that I do really like the palette that came in here. I really did enjoy the color story. I can't wait to create more looks with it. Next up, you guys, I have here the Cover FX highlighters, which I'm wearing in the color Sunlight. And you guys saw me putting this on. It went on like nothing. So next up, you guys, I have here the Kosas Airbrow Tinted Gel. And I absolutely did enjoy using this brow gel as well. It did give my brows that fluffy effect and they look fuller. I can't wait to keep using this product, absolutely. Here, the Persona lip liner, and this lip liner, you guys, I went ahead and I put it all over my lips because of how bomb it is. Look how it went on really nicely. You guys saw it. And I just went ahead and I put it all over my lips. It doesn't feel like stiff or anything. Like, it feels hydrating. Like, I don't know. You can't really put a lip liner all over your lips without it feeling a little dry, and this lip liner feels so good. Two of the products that I didn't get a chance to try out is the Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. I'm definitely gonna give this a try later on, and I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated on my IG. If you guys do follow me on IG, if you don't, it's at Glam with Mary Doll. Another product that I didn't get a chance to try out is the LYS Beauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. Can't wait to try this on, you guys. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. I'm so happy I was able to try out new beauty brands and obviously new beauty products. And I did get 6 full-size beauty products, you guys, for $39.99, which is a steal because these products are in the pricier side. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel if you're not, comment down below something sweet if you feel like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!